What's up all? Let's discuss 10 elements of biggest 10 smart kitchen friends of the world. Smart appliances like ovens, refrigerators, coffee makers and more are revolutionizing cooking. Date number 1 is smart oven. Smart ovens with remote start make meal prep easier for busy families with smartphone control. Smart ovens with advanced features like automatic settings, custom presets, cameras and notifications simplify cooking and offer a modern meal preparation experience. Investing in a smart oven with remote start capabilities enhances cooking experience, energy efficiency and convenience in modern kitchens. Advancements in technology improve efficiency, convenience and overall cooking experience. Frost number 2 is refrigerator. Wi-Fi fridge with touchscreen improves kitchen appliance management, offering convenience and innovation for efficiency. Smart refrigerators use advanced technology to simplify food management, promote sustainability through energy-saving features, reduce food waste, and improve kitchen practices. Investing in a Wi-Fi-enabled refrigerator with touchscreen capabilities offers convenience, customization, and remote connectivity for a modern household. Innovation in technology enhances efficiency and convenience in kitchen appliances. Vogue number 3 is coffee maker. Coffee makers have evolved from traditional drip machines to smart devices, highlighting technological advancements in kitchens. Smart coffee makers represent a trend towards connected, customizable brewing experiences, enhancing convenience and catering to the preference of today's modern consumers. Smart coffee makers provide convenience with voice control, remote monitoring and energy-saving features, enhancing the overall coffee brewing experience. Evolution of coffee makers reflects technology's impact on daily life. Controlled number 4 is safer and more efficient. Induction cooking offers precise temperature control, enhances safety by reduced burn risks and eliminating gas hazards. Modern induction cooktops feature voice control and app connectivity, enhancing meal preparation with customizable cooking programs, making them ideal for tech-savvy users. Induction ranges, though initially costly, offer long-term saving and environmental benefits through his energy efficiency and reduced carbon footprint. Induction cooking merges technology, safety, efficiency, and environmental consciousness. Fried number 5 is air fryer. Air fryers use hot air circulation, reducing oil and calories while providing crispy, healthier foods. Smart air fryers feature customizable presets, mobile app connectivity, and voice assistant integration, improving usability and allowing users to manage cooking tasks remotely and efficiently. Smart air fryers offer versatile cooking options like baking, roasting, and grilling, enhancing convenience and enjoyment in meal preparation. Technology enhances cooking efficiency, health, and user experience simultaneously. Bip number 6 is microwave oven. Scan-to-cook microwaves simplify frozen meal preparation with precise instruction for perfectly cooked dishes. Smart features like smartphone control, LED touchscreens, and voice assistant compatibility simplify meal preparation, enhancing user experience for individuals and families. Smart microwaves enhance cooking versatility with features like customized modes and air fryer capabilities, catering to diverse culinary preferences. Technology transforms cooking, enhancing convenience, versatility, and culinary experiences. Planted number 7 is indoor garden. Indoor gardens improve accessibility, allowing anyone to grow herbs and vegetables indoors, regardless of climate. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, please. Smart technology indoor gardens enhances plant care by enabling mobile app controls and notifications for monitoring temperature, humidity, and lighting, minimizing neglect risks. Indoor gardens enable faster growth and higher yields, allowing individuals with limited space to conveniently cultivate fresh produce at home. Indoor gardens democratize gardening, enhance care, and boost productivity. Simplified number 8 is all-in-one. All-in-one appliances optimize kitchen space by combining multiple cooking functions into a compact unit. All-in-one appliances enhance versatility, allowing users to perform multiple cooking tasks and experiment with diverse recipes and techniques, fostering culinary creativity and exploration. Smart technology simplifies cooking with guided recipes and automatic adjustments, saving time and effort while improving the overall experience. Efficiency and creativity flourish through technology-enhanced culinary exploration. Calculated number 9 is Smart Scale. Smart scales enhance cooking with technology, offering nutrition tracking and recipe suggestions for a better experience. Accurate measurements from smart scales are essential for successful cooking and baking, as precise ingredient ratios greatly affect the final result. Smart scales are compact, efficient tools that optimize kitchen space, simplify meal prep, and provide accurate ingredient measurements and nutritional information. Smart scales enhance cooking, provide accurate measurements, optimize kitchen space. Clean number 10 is dishwasher. Load sensing dishwasher saves energy and water by adjusting based on load size and dirtiness. Load sensing dishwashers with Wi-Fi connectivity can integrate with smart home ecosystems, improving convenience and user experience by allowing remote control and seamless communication with other devices. Smart dishwashers offer customizable features like voice control, maintenance notifications, and tailored cleaning cycles for a convenient user experience. Adaptation to load and connectivity enhance efficiency and convenience. Thanks for watching. Dear friend, hit like or dislike. Please let me know what you liked or didn't like. I am off to make a new video.